In today's commercial buildings, HVAC systems play an essential role in ensuring optimal end-user comfort. In fact, HVAC systems account for up to 40% of total energy use in buildings. This means it's crucial to ensure efficient systems that can keep costs and energy consumption low without compromising indoor comfort or occupant safety. Today, HVAC systems are getting increasingly complex since they're often made up of many standalone components, which are installed into limited spaces and need to work together as one. All of which risks inefficient commissioning, installation and maintenance. As well as this, many prioritize CAPEX more than OPEX when installing an HVAC system, leading to increasing costs over time, deferred maintenance and aging systems. The result is a low-performing, high-consuming system that can be costly and difficult to optimize. So how exactly can you reduce system complexity and operating costs while increasing asset value and end-user comfort? To achieve this, Grundfos iSolutions offers a range of intelligent and energy-efficient solutions to improve HVAC system performance. These include prefabricated systems to make installation and commissioning easy, intelligent pumps to track building performance, and digital solutions to save you time and effort when monitoring and controlling systems. With this ecosystem of high-performing and CO2-friendly solutions, you'll have many opportunities to optimize system design, installation, commissioning, and operation of HVAC systems in any commercial building. Want to optimize your HVAC system? Get started now at Grundfos.com.